I'm not surprised.
Oggi vi insegnerò la buona colazione da fare ogni mattina per essere attenti a scuola.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility.